Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is on this eye makeup. I have created a very simple, soft, glam eye makeup today. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. I will be starting by doing my eyebrows, and I'm using ABH brow pomade in dark brown, and I will first shape my eyebrows and fill them in with the same product. And to spread the product evenly, I am also going to use a spoolie. Next, I am using Swiss Beauty concealer to clean underneath my eyebrows, and the concealer shade I'm using is 02 Sand Sable. I'm going to apply it on my entire lid as an eye base and blend it out with a damp sponge. I'm going to set the concealer with Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder and a fluffy brush. This will help a lot to blend out the eyeshadows. For eyeshadow palette today, I am going to be using Folklore Sunrise palette. This palette has 16 beautiful nude and mauve shades, which has some glittery shades as well. First, I am taking a flat shader brush and dipping in the shade Punch Pink and apply this in tapping motions on my crease and outer V. Here I am not blending but just tapping the color and building the shade into my crease and outer V. Then I am taking a smaller blending brush and dipping that in the shade Tenderly Light and start blending the outer edges of the previous shade. Here I am using a lighter shade to blend the edges. Next, I am taking a tiny blending brush from PSC and taking the shade Chocolate Martini and applying it on the outer V and in my crease in circular motion. This will add some more depth to the crease. I am not going very dark because I still want to keep it soft and simple. Next, I am taking the shade Pinwheel Galaxy and applying it on my eyelid area using my finger. And this shade has a very fine glitters which adds to the glam and looks so beautiful. I'm also going to apply the shade Punch Pink on my lower lash line using a pencil brush and smudge it out. Next, to highlight, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals and applying it on my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Then I am taking Rimmel eye pencil, which is a nude color, and applying it on my lower waterline. Next, I am curling my lashes, and for mascara I am using Essence Lash Paradise mascara and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. I am also applying false eyelashes. These are from Celios Lashes, and for glue I have used PAC Lash Glue. And this is the complete look. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you do, then please like and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.